Simplesat offers an easy-to-integrate process with SyncroMSP, empowering you to effortlessly gather CSAT, CES, and 5-star ticket feedback. Additionally, you can conveniently send quarterly Net Promoter Score surveys to your active clients. The Contact Sync integration makes sure all customers in Simplesat are in sync with your list in Syncro. Begin by crafting a fresh survey that matches your needs and fine-tune the survey settings to your liking. Start by choosing the Integrate with Another Tool option in the Publish tab to freely customize your survey. Then, select SyncroMSP in the pop-up box. Give that Generate Embed Code button a satisfying click. Double-check if you're on the HTML option and click Copy Survey. Now, let's start adding Simplesat surveys in your Syncro account. Under the Admin settings, click on PDF Email Templates. Once the PDF email templates unfold, go ahead and give a gentle click on Email Templates. See all your pre-made list of templates. We suggest using the Ticket Resolved email template that sends an email to the contact once a ticket is resolved. From the templates, click on Edit Ticket Template, then the source icon. Paste the embed code that you've copied from your Simplesat account, and voila! You're done! Note that the borders you might see in the visual view should be removed once you run it through a test ticket. Just a friendly reminder, in case ticket resolved emails haven't been enabled yet, take a quick detour and head back to Admin, click Tickets, Preferences, then Enable Ticket Resolved Emails. Next up, let's look at how Simplesat integrates with Syncro. You can synchronize customers from Syncro to Simplesat. Ooh. It'll check every 24 hours for updates and copy those over. Or map Simplesat response details to any customer custom fields. This allows you to make sure that contacts are always up to date with their latest CSAT or NPS score. With automated follow-up tickets, your team can effortlessly respond to customers and close the loop, all while staying in the comfort of your existing support workflows. Each time a rating is received, Simplesat will look up the ticket and sync that information back to the response. Next, you can sync the rating, sentiment, and comment to any custom ticket fields you create in Syncro. Every rating can update service tickets with a private note containing all response information. Just like ongoing email surveys, once you embed the CSAT survey and configure the integrations, everything will run in the background without any extra effort on your part. If you have any questions or need assistance, our team is happy to help over live chat or a quick screen share call. Have fun!